Welcome. If you've ever missed an important call on Discord because you didn't hear the ring, this guide is for you. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to enable notification sounds for incoming rings on Discord web using your PC, all updated for the latest version. Let's get started by opening Discord right from your browser. Head to discord.com and log into your account as you normally would. Once you're in, look down at the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see your profile picture, and right next to it, a small gear icon. This is your user settings menu. Click on that gear icon to open up your settings. Inside the user settings, you'll see a list of options running down the left side. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Notifications. Click on Notifications to open up all your notification preferences. Now, here's where the magic happens. In the notification settings, scroll until you see the section called Sounds. Under Sounds, you'll find a list of different notification types. Look specifically for the option labeled Incoming Ring. This is the setting that controls whether you hear a sound when someone tries to call you on Discord. To enable the sound, simply toggle the switch next to Incoming Ring so that it turns on. Once this is enabled, you'll hear a clear notification sound every time you receive a call on Discord, making sure you never miss an important conversation again. That's all there is to it. Just open Discord in your browser, click the gear icon, go into Notifications, and make sure Incoming Ring is enabled under Sounds. With these steps, you'll always be alerted when someone tries to reach you. Thanks for tuning in. If this guide helped you, consider sharing it with friends who might need a hand with their Discord settings. Stay connected and enjoy your calls on Discord.